Alright guys, welcome back to the trade recap. I'm currently exporting the 1.5k challenge account video of episode 2 right now. That's gonna take probably like 30 minutes to export and another 30 to upload it, just because the video is an hour plus long. That's why I thought might as well go ahead and record something right now. I'm actually gonna be recording 3 videos today. I'm gonna be recording this trade recap. I've already recorded the 1.5k challenge account video, and right after this I'm gonna go ahead and record the playbook video, which I will release tomorrow instead of today. I just don't have the time to record it tomorrow. That's why I'm just gonna record it today and then post it tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, welcome back to the trade recap, man. Took a trade yesterday. Gonna run through everything. This is just a separate video. If you want, you can go ahead and check out. Yep, this is where I executed the trade, man. See, I got proof for everything. Anyways, if you want, you can go check out the live version, which will be released while I'm recording this video, and it definitely has been released if this video is released. So you can go ahead and check that out. You don't have to watch this video if you want to check out the live version. I show my execution, why I took the trade, where I took the trade, literally how much I'm risking, how much I am potentially making, which we didn't. We hit stop loss, but that's alright, man. Anyways, let's go back into the video, man. So for the bias for yesterday, I had 2 bias, which is literally all the biases I can have. I was either looking for longs, or shorts, because on ES I was bearish, but on NQ I was bullish. We had low resistance liquidity on the downside. On ES, we got 3 different areas of liquidity on the downside. But on NQ, on the other hand, we had 3 areas of low resistance liquidity on the upside. This was right before market open. And we only had 2 areas of liquidity on the downside. That's why I was bullish on NQ but bearish on ES, and I wanted to see what market was doing before we go ahead and decide our final bias. I don't typically get married to my bias. I mean, I would be more favorable against it if the bias is really strong, and if price action doesn't work that way, I'll just not take a trade on the day. That's how I manage my risk. Anyways, yesterday we had these lows made during pre-market. These highs were actually my draws, but I was really bullish on NQ because we had equal highs too. Anyways, market opened. We crashed, man. Crashed. I mean, it took a while to hit one of our key areas, just because we had news on 10, which didn't do much, but price action was just slow. Anyways, we took out this low. Same with ES. NQ pushed a little further. That's why I took the trade on ES instead of NQ. Damn, my nose is stuck, man. Somebody help me. Anyways, my nose is gonna be stuck for 24/7, 365. You'll never be unstuck, man. Damn. Anyways, we took out the lows, NQ pushed further, ES didn't, that's why I took the trade on ES. After we took out the lows, I was waiting for some sort of confirmation that it was a sweep before I took the trade to the upside. Also, this is my early entry. I didn't take a, what would we call it, the safe entry, because our setup wasn't presented at that time and before my cutoff point was, which is at 10:30. So right about here we took out the lows, we got a break of structure. That wasn't enough. Wanted to see closure above the 79 line, which is right here. As soon as this candle closed, I entered. My stops were at the low. It's not a good risk to reward, but I aim for the low bearing fruit to make it a higher win rate trade. So I aim for the first highs, or first key area, or first area of liquidity, whatever you want to call it. We were right about here when I left. I didn't check up on the trade because it was taking way too long. I had to go for my run. I had to meet my friends. Had many things to do, man. Anyways, we were like an inch from TP. Then we got stopped out right here. Totally fine with that. Because, like I've said and I've always been saying, and I'll always be saying, accept the risk before you take the trade. That's so that even if you lose the trade after, you'll be fine with it, since you've already accepted it. Damn, I'm still curious what the hell caused this long ass shit. Must be news, man. Anyways, this video is only 7 minutes. Nah, man. Let's make it 10. Anyways, didn't take a trade on NQ. But hold up, man. Oh, that's gross. This was the second trade of the week. Only took 2 trades today. We're still up on the week. We made $97 after commission on the first day. We lost about $17. $18 after commission on the second trade. So we are still up about 70 something, bro. I don't give a shit. Anyways, we can go ahead and check my account history. This is the first trade. This is the commission. Second trade, commission. We're up $79.14 on the week. Looking good so far. Still gonna be patient. Still gonna be disciplined for the rest of the trades I take. Damn, the commission is cut. Damn, bro. It's 29 cents off my $17. You gotta be crazy, man. Anyways, the trades I take on ES is considerably. What the hell is that word, bro? Considerably. Screw that shit. It's considered lower. The risk is way lower as compared to NQ because contract sizing is different. Even if I go the lowest contract size for NQ, as you can see, I made $99, but on ES I could only make 20. I mean, it's a way better way it's damn, bro. Risk management is way better on ES because let's use yesterday as example. I only entered one contract here. We risked $17. I'm willing to risk 3 to 4% of my account every day. If we blow the account, I'ma just reset it until I hit 10k one day. Totally fine with that. Anyways, I'm not saying I'm gonna do everything in my power just to blow the account, man. Anyways, we risked one contract for the early entry. It's a small size. It's only $17 loss. And if we got a 5-minute entry, let's say right here, but of course it has to be way earlier. I stopped trading at 10:30. Let's say that we fill the order block and whatever, blah 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 blah. We do all that shit on a 5-minute time frame. I zoom into the 1 minute, get my entry, then I'll go ahead and risk 1 to 2 more contracts, targeting the higher draws on liquidity, like all these low resistance. Damn, bro, we gotta be bullish the next week. Nah, bro. Anyways, what I was saying is on ES it's way better because I can risk more, but not really. I can have multiple entries. I mean 2, but I can have 2 entries, but on NQ I can only have 1, just because the risk is higher. But I'll still make it work somehow, one way or another, man. Anyways, can't believe I'm gonna be recording 3 videos today, man. Kinda fun, not gonna lie. Love recording. Alright, the video is more than 10 minutes. I think that is all I have to cover for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't, like and subscribe. If you learned something, like and subscribe. If you didn't, like and subscribe. Do it, man. Do it. What are you waiting for? Do it now, man. Anyways, catch you in my next video, which will be the playbook video. It's gonna be a short video, just because I don't have much to cover. It's a relatively simple topic. Just like nothing much to explain there, but we'll see. Anyways, see you soon, man. Bye bye. See ya.